In the broad expanse of the northern Pacific Ocean, through a system of high-pressure air currents, a slow-moving, clockwise spiral is created. This current has been collecting trash, such as plastic bags, bottles, and other debris known as the Pacific Garbage Patch. These ocean currents collect floating garbage off shores and carry them for thousands of miles to the northern Pacific subtropical gyre. Eventually, all this garbage expands into hundreds of miles, forming a floating junkyard on the high seas. It's the poster child for a worldwide problem: plastic that begins in human hands yet ends up in the ocean, often in animals' stomachs or even around their necks. Whether it be plastic bottles or broken fisherman gear, pollution is on the brink of major irreversible destruction to our aquatic ecosystems.
From the phone forever gone, the towers are vertical, out of total your hair just to climb back down.
Here are some animals affected.
When you're filling out your own phone, can you tell that it's just sailing home? Now you've added up to watch it from. Whoa. Did you tear the rain out?
Researchers at the Scripps Institution of Oceanography in San Diego have recently stated that in the past 4 decades, there has been a 100-fold increase in garbage mass, causing huge changes in ocean ecology. So here's what you can do to help. Help the environment. Show me everything you've got. Purchase a reusable water bottle instead of plastic. Reduce your ecological footprint by purchasing cloth bags at the grocery store. Use Tupperware containers instead of plastic bags for lunch. And most of all, spread the word.
Live a life and show me everything you've got. Oh, 'cause it takes some time and just a little bit of good. Reality won't hurt for longer than it should. Just talking about pain that is there. Face back.
The Pacific Garbage Patch is twice the size of Texas and floats 90 feet deep. The problem we face now is the process of removing all the harmful litter. We cannot collect the floating trash without catching harmless sea creatures along the way.
Marine biologists estimate that 90% of the 3.5 million tons of floating trash is all plastic. In some parts of the ocean, there's already 6 times more plastic than plankton, which is the food many fish rely on to survive. How did all that plastic end up in the ocean? 80% is litter from land, either dropped directly into waterways or blown by wind into rivers and streams from states as far away as Iowa. The monumental amount of plastic trash has created an ecological disaster that has cost the lives of millions of seabirds and marine mammals.
Hip, hip.